Are you broke? Do you look at your pocket every time you want to make a purchase? Are you drowning in a pool of college debt? In this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can become a rich student in college. And by the end of this episode, I have a very special bonus for you that's going to skyrocket you into becoming one of the richest students in your college. Are you ready? Let's get into this video.
Vow's View. I see you.
Number 1, have a $1 billion mindset. You see, I can tell you all about how you can have a $1 billion mindset, which I will, and they are asking questions. Ask people questions. Rich people have a habit of asking questions. Reading books is very important. Lots of billionaires read books. It must not be every day, but have a consistent way of reading books and learning new knowledge. And finally, see opportunities instead of problems, because problems will always be there, but it's your job to find solutions and make money. Now you've known this, I want you to also think about this. Yes, there are people that are rich and there are people that are poor, but it's a big misconception to say that some people are mainly born to be rich or remain rich, and there are some others that are born to remain poor. It's all about the mindset. Believe in yourself that you can be rich. There's always a being, there's always a believing before there's a becoming. So I want you to start removing away that mentality that you are born to be poor, because you're not. You can be whatever you say you want to be. So tell yourself, I can be rich. I can make that money. I can be part of that 1% of the richest people in the world. I believe in you. You have to believe in yourself. Number 2, flash action. This simply means speed of implementation. How fast can you create? How fast can you distribute? How fast can you implement your ideas? Well, you see, your wealth is not just measured in time, it's measured in how much money you can make. So how can you be a billionaire? How can you be a rich student? You have to have speed. And what I mean by speed is whenever you have an idea, whenever you have a plan, whatever is going to make you more money, you do it now. Stop procrastinating. Stop saying I will do it later. Do it now. Just do it. So let's take an exercise. If you have an idea right now that you've been planning on doing for years, stop this video, pause it right now and write it down. Then continue. Okay, so this is all it's all about. It's all about speed. Guys, if you're really enjoying this video, if what I'm saying you can really relate and understand to it, please like this video and give me a comment in the comment section saying I see you, because I see all of you. And also subscribe if you like my channel so you can get more and more of me. Number 3, value your time. Remember this. You are a student. You're not just an entrepreneur. You're not just someone that wants to make money. So I want you to do well academically and also financially. Please remember this and cancel this misconception from your head that if you have money, you're not smart. So how did we make our money? By being smart. But very important, you have to value your time. So you have time to study, you have time to make money, and you have time to just chill. So please, if you have so many distractions like watching movies, partying, these are really cool things to do, but you now have to, dial down on them. You have to reduce these distractions, and once you do, you now have more time to study and more time to think about your goals. So very importantly, you can also make to-do lists. To-do lists will help you organize the things you want to do and when you want to do them. So this is a very important skill for being rich. Number 4, make friends with rich students. this is just simply the icing on the cake. Why? Because you're the average of the 5 people you spend your most time with. And if you spend time with rich students, you automatically become a rich student. Ta-da! Okay, now I also mean rich students that focus on self-discipline and personal development. These people will not just help you financially, they will also help you academically. So that's like killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Or what? Shooting like 4 guys with 1 bullet. Or for the guys, scoring a goal, I think, with 1 ball. Alright, so this is very important, and these friends will help you and promote you to move forward. Make sure they're also positively inclined. 5. Start your own company. Like me? Company? Yes. Because you see, a company is not all that as people make it seem. What is a company? A company is simply a business organization or a group of people who make or buy and sell goods or services in exchange for money. So why can't you do that in school? Because there's so many things that people need in school. So I'm going to be giving you some examples of a company that you can start in the university. Please, if you want me to make a full video about company that you can start while in school, please put it in the comment section below and add I see you, because I see you guys. Okay, let me just tell you. Number 1, you can be a beautician. You see, many girls wanna look good, and you can just help them by braiding their hair or making their hair. You can also sell wigs, and you can do makeup. I know girls that are making millions, and I mean millions, from just being a beautician. You see, you can also do number 2. This is quite doable, because you can start a home food delivery service by maybe when you want to cook a meal for yourself. If you're very good at cooking, like chef people, you can cook for yourself and also cook for others. Post it on your social media and tell people that if they want it, they should just order and you deliver it to them. Make good money by selling your food. Don't go hungry, please. Now, number 3 is also you can start a tutorial service. Teach people, because if you're really smart, then be smart with the cash. Teach people to make money. When you teach people, you can also sell handouts and notes so that people can learn more. Because I know a course I want to learn, just a toolkit, they're selling it for me for $5,000. I'm like, whoa! So sell your knowledge, please, and let them pay you for your time. Okay, so that's it. What are you waiting for? Start your own company now. Congratulations! Now it's time for your bonus tip, which is quality equals quantity. Once you've made a good product, of which I know you can do, or service, you now have to have a large customer base to sell it to. Quantity is divided into 2, which is a large number of that product and a large percentage you can do of that particular service. Now, the large customer base is the people you will sell your quality product to. And how can you increase your customer base? By doing some little free giveaways, because people like freebies, like stuffs like buy one get one free. And also make more friends. You make more friends because you have a relationship with your customers. They will always want to buy. This is a clue I like to give to people. Sell to the masses so you can make massive money. This will always encourage you to increase your customer base, because no matter how much quality product you have, if you don't have a lot of people to sell this product to, you're not going to make profit. So if you follow these tips, you can become part of that 1% of the richest people in the world and own almost 50% of the world's population's wealth. So are you ready? Start your business now and let's be rich together. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed making it for you, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button right now. And if you can resonate with what I've been saying, I always want you to leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you would like me to make in a new video. And if you have any ideas about how also you can be part of that 1% of rich people in the world, I also want to know. I want to know. Tell me. Okay, thank you so much for listening. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.